where we have available. I think we have completed inheritance, right? We have completed only up to inheritance and also multiple and also multi-level. Yeah. Now let's go with encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but hiding data. Okay. So yeah, after encapsulation, we go to polymorphism. If we have time, we can move to abstraction also. You can see my screen. Okay, I have written wrong because no, okay, no problem. Encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation is nothing but hiding the data without accessing from the outside of the class. Okay, I'll show you how encapsulation works. Okay, I'm taking a class called orange bank marks only. Take marks only. And initialize. Init. Uh, I I'll take two subjects. Maths and science. Self dot maths equal to maths and self dot x. The, I'll go with signature. Okay, if you got an average of 60 marks, then your parent will sign the progress card. If not, he will not sign. This is the thing I want to do in this encapsulation. I'll take my function as get sign. And the total is equal to self dot match plus self dot signs. So if you want to get an average, total by 2, you will get average marks. Okay. If average is greater than 16, then print taking character else I'll print not specified. not satisfied. Okay, let's see the output. I'll create an object for marks and I'll take match marks and tiles marks. Obj dot get set. If the average is more than 60, I'll get signature done. If not, I'll get not satisfied. As we know, the average of 45 and 12 is not more than 60. So I'll take now 65 and 72. Now signature done. Okay. So let's go with previous values. Yeah, here I have not satisfied. Then what the person will do? He will try to change the marks. How? By accessing from the outside. Okay. Obj dot match. I'll try to print this obj dot match. Let's see the output. Print obj dot match. Yeah, I'm getting match marks. So we can able to access marks from outside the class. Okay. So now I'll try to change the marks. Obj dot change is equal to 95. Signature done. If this condition is not there, if I don't write this line here, I'll get not satisfied. If I write, I'll get signature done, because you can able to access this data from outside the class, but this is not the right way, right? I mean, uh, uh, it is like cheating his parents, right? So you should not, to avoid this one, we have to use private variables. In so many real time, in real world, we have so many examples like bank. In bank also, there is you can't anyone can't get the taxes, right? So here, to make private variables, just you have to use double underscore before this variable, then it will become a private variable. Here also, for I got signature done, right? Now I'll try to run it. Not satisfied. Okay, not satisfied. Now obj dot uh, obj dot x is equal to 55. Okay, I'll take 95 so that I'll get an average more than 60. Even though I can't change the marks. Okay, I'll try to print this one. I'll try to print this one. Even though you are not able to get the marks. Okay, if not, I'll remove this double underscore. Let's see the output. Even though I'm not getting output, so you can't able to, get the marks or modify the marks. You can't able to see the marks, and also you can't able to modify these marks. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to change the marks here. How can I change? You can change the marks by using getter and setter methods. I'll show you what is getter and setter. For example, I want, first of all, I'll write some methods to access the elements. I'll write some get marks self comma new. I'll return self dot match comma self dot size. If you write a method to get this, then what I'll do is I'll call this get marks as I use return, I'll not get any output here. So I will print here. I'll get marks here directly in a tuple because I have returned here and also I got the marks. Now I'll use another method called set marks to modify marks. Okay. Self comma. I'll take two parameters new size. Now here self dot match is equal to new match and self dot size equal to new size. Okay. Okay. Now what I'll do is ej dot set marks. I'll take two variables 65 and 75 so that I'll get an average of uh, more than 60. So my my output will change signature 10. This is how you can able to modify the data by using set and get methods. And also I'll show you another way. This is a normal way, and I'll show you how to get and set the data by in Python way. Okay. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Yeah, these also same like this only. I'll show you. But here you have to use same name for both getter and setter methods. I'm using get marks only, but the thing is here I'm using property decorator. Property decorator is nothing but a getter method. Okay. Now wait get marks dot setter. This is nothing but setter. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yes. Just give me a minute. Um, dot okay. I mean 90, 100, 120. So just give me a minute. Check. Sorry. Obj dot type only match. I want to change only match dot. Yeah. All right. To find obj dot match. Now I am getting. I think we can't do with the two variables. This I have tried it, but you can't do with the two variables. Yeah, you got match. Uh, let's see. Getter method is working successfully, and also I'll try to change uh, marks from 120. Then I'll get 120, 132. Yeah, I'll get more than 60, right? Obj dot get sign. Yeah, signature turn. This is how you can able to get or set for a value. Okay, you can change the value by using like this getter and setter methods. This is about encapsulation. Let's move to another concept called polymorphism. Just definition of polymorphism is uh, same piece of code behaving differently in different situations. This is about polymorphism. I'll take a class called sound. Uh, def. Okay, I'll take class called animal. For every animal, you will have sound, right? Sound. And I am now. I'll take class called cat. Same code. Okay, same method. Print cat will shout and I'll take another class called dog. If sound print. Now the thing is here I have to inherit the above class. Okay. Same code, I'm inheriting the properties from the parent class to two child classes, and I am using same method here. Now I'll create object for cat and dog. Dog. Now by using cat object, I'll call sound. Same method. I'm getting this one. Yeah, dog dot sound. I'm getting power. same code, same method, but based on the object, it is changing. Okay. So here I'll try to create a polymorphic function called sounds. Take two parameter, sorry, one parameter, annual. Okay. Now default dot sound. This is my function, and also I'll tell you what is this function and all. Now we know we already completed functions, right? Now when we call sounds, it will expect some argument into it. That is nothing but an object. So I'll pass cat into it. I'm getting a cat is replaced with this animal cat object cat dot sound. Okay, so you are getting the cat sound. Again, sounds dog. You'll get dog sound. Okay, this is called polymorphic function. This is called polymorphic function. Okay, where it takes objects and it will give the output with the same method. Okay, based on the object you will get the output. This is how polymorphism works. Same piece of code behaving differently in different situations. The sound is behaving based on the type of object called. Okay, the same method but behaves differently. Okay, this is about polymorphism. Now let's go to abstraction. Just note this code. Yeah, abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but hiding main logic and only shows what the user needs. Okay, the abstraction also follows some rules. I'll explain you it. Uh, for example, you are riding a car. You only knows to uh, uh, start the engine and stop the engine or indicators, all this, but you don't know what the thing inside going on. In the same way, I'll go with ATM, where you put the card, you click some pin code and you will get cash. Only the thing is you use only the card area, pin area and cash withdraw area. That's it. You don't know what is the mechanism undergoing inside the ATM machine. So that is called, that logic is hidden by this ATM. Only we know how to take money by user interface. This is the abstraction will do. It will only shows what the user needs. The remaining it will hide the complex logic. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, I'll go with the car. And first of all, if you want to write the abstraction, you have to import ABC module and abstract method decorator from ABC module. Import ABC and abstract method. Okay, abstract is nothing but, for example, you are taking projects. You will take only the abstract. In that abstract, you will have what are the things are going on in your project and what are the things that are implemented in your project, that all are present in your abstraction. In the same way, in my abstract class, this is called abstract class. You have to inherit ABC module. And if you want to make a method as abstract method, I'll show you. Def start engine. If you want to make it an abstract method means if you mention anything in your abstract, it should be in your project also. Okay. So here you will not have any logic. Just it is an abstract. That's it. That is nothing but just title. Okay. Create topic. Empty. Now this is the main project. It is called concrete class. Class car. You have to inherit the vehicle. Now start engine. What are the methods you used in your abstract? The same methods you have to use in this. You can also use another methods also, but these are mandatory to use in your subclasses. Okay, concrete classes. Print are started. Same is the step. How many classes you create? You have to give all these methods. Okay. Stop. Now I'll create an object for car, not for vehicle. Okay. From this car dot start engine and car dot stop engine, you will get the output. Okay. If you try to create an object for your abstract class, then let's see what will happen. You will trigger with some errors like car instantiate abstract class vehicle with abstract method stop engine start. Okay. This is called abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but hiding the main logic and only shows what the user needs. That's it. Okay. This is the main code where we give to the customers. Okay. This is the hidden logic in this. Okay. Yeah. That's all about abstraction. Let's go with exception handling now. Exception handling is nothing but in the name itself. You can able to understand that uh, handling the errors. That's it. Okay. Uh, but not showing any any trademark in your terminal. By using exception handling, you will get the correct output without any errors. Okay. Example, and take by 0 print x. You got zero division error. These are all different types of errors in your Python. You have to know them. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'm suspecting some error in this code. Okay. So I'll make to put this code in try block. Okay. Try block. Except I'll use this one only. I'm expecting this error. I'll print invalid division. Let's see the simply you will get invalid division without showing any errors like that. Okay. If you don't know what type of error it is, then you can use expect exception as E, and directly you can print E. Then directly you will get 0 by division error. If you have not mentioned anything here, in the same way you can use many number of exceptions, and you will have and try except else and finally block. I'll show you with an example. Try x equal to int of input then as okay, exception as E. I'll print E. You have different types of errors. If you know what type of like value error, zero division error, syntax, some different types of errors you will have now, you can mention that error directly if you have an idea. If not, directly you can give exception as E. I'll print I'll print some logic here, like x power x. That's it. Okay. Finally is a block. It will execute whether you have an error or not. It is independent. It will execute. Okay. It will not see if error occurred or not. It will do its work. Okay. For example, if I give some string here, you will get invalid return for int based on you some error. But finally block got executed where I've used exception as E, right? That's why I got this one. If not, if I give 10 like this, you will get 10 power 10 is something like this. Okay. So finally block also executed. Okay. If try is successful, then it will execute else block. If you have any issues in try block, then except block will execute. Finally block will execute whether if error is there or not, it will execute. Okay. Without seeing try except block. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's all about today's class. If you have any doubts, we can discuss. Tomorrow will be the last class for you. That is about file handling. Uh, yeah. If you have any doubts, we can discuss. Okay. Bye.